Hey guys, we are here at a place called Rustic Mornings in Marikina. Has one of the best places to have breakfast. It's quite budget friendly and we're really excited to check it out. You can see, very green and beautiful. We have Museum, which is about, let's say, 200 meters walk from the Rustic Mornings. You know, after you have your breakfast, you can right away dive into some knowledge and art. Woo! So here we are on the second floor of the building, where only the shoes of former First Lady Imelda Marcos are here. She was a fashion icon. You can see some brands like Givenchy. Some information which is in Tagalog. I can't really understand it, but it says Jesus de la Peña, so I think it's one of the guys that settled this area initially. And if you come with me, there is another place here which is also in Tagalog, and I also don't understand it. We will straight away make way into the church. Wow. Alright guys, so we just came out of the church where we got some really interesting information, and the next spot here is Centro Cultura, which is a colonial Spanish building for, you know, it's got Filipino culture. And on the bottom there, if you can see, there is a little cafe called Cafe Capitan Restaurant, where we are hoping to get something to eat, hopefully, because it's about lunchtime. And you know, as you can see, it's all really clean around here. Everything is within walking distance. 200 meters from the spot number 1 is the church, and from the church, like 50 meters, stop number 3. So let's go. So we got a lot of history going on here. This was part of the Hacienda Marikina, which was a huge estate. Local delicacies. Alright, so we finally made it to our lunch spot. It's called Pan de Americana. We ordered a couple of local specialties. This one here is a tilapia, which is baked in a banana leaf, which is looking very appetizing. This one here is called tinomok. That's taro leaves with some shrimp and some pork, all cooked in coconut cream. This one is a pork dish, which is, I think it's spicy, also cooked in a coconut dish. Alright guys, kain tayo. Let's eat. I love it. A little bit similar to Thai green curry, which is a bit spicier, but generally really good.